In this guide, we'll first explore the root causes of why Android USB file transfer isn't working, then walk you through step-by-step fixes to enable USB transfer, and finally introduce a powerful alternative for seamless file transfer. Part 1. Why Android USB file transfer not working? Before fixing Android USB file transfer issues, it's important to know the common causes. Faulty USB cable or port. A damaged cable or incompatible port can disrupt connection. Incorrect USB mode. Your phone may not be set to the right mode for file transfer. Outdated or corrupted drivers. Missing or outdated PC drivers can prevent device recognition. Software or system conflicts. Bugs or conflicts may interfere with the transfer. USB debugging mode. Incorrect settings can block the connection. Identifying these issues helps in finding an appropriate solution. Part 2. How to enable USB transfer on Android. If your Android USB file transfer isn't working, follow these targeted fixes in order. They start with simple checks and move to more technical solutions, ensuring you cover all potential issues. Fix 1. Check the USB cable and port. Inspect and replace the USB cable. Ensure you're using a certified data cable, ideally the original or a reliable USB 3.0/4.0 cable. Replace damaged cables. Clean USB ports. Dust or debris can block the connection. Use compressed air or a cotton swab to clean both your Android and PC USB ports. Test different USB ports. Use rear USB ports on desktops for a more stable connection, and check all laptop ports. Replug firmly. A loose connection can cause issues. Unplug and reconnect the cable firmly. These steps address common hardware problems affecting Android USB transfers. Fix 2. Enable file transfer mode on Android. Step 1. Connect your Android device to the computer using a working USB cable. Step 2. Swipe down from the top of your Android screen to open the notification shade quick settings panel. Step 3. Look for a notification labeled USB charging, USB connected, or charging this device via USB, and tap on this notification. Step 4. A pop-up menu will appear with different USB connection options. Select Transfer Files on Android 12 and above or MTP Media Transfer Protocol on older Android versions. MTP is the most compatible mode, supporting all file types on both Windows and Mac. If you only need to transfer photos, you can choose PTP Picture Transfer Protocol, which treats your device like a digital camera and is used for transferring images only. Fix 3. Update or reinstall USB drivers on PC. Check for driver errors. Open Device Manager, press Win+X. Look for sections like Portable Devices or Android Device. If you see a yellow exclamation mark, the driver is faulty. Update or reinstall the driver. Right-click the device in Device Manager. Select Update Driver and let Windows search for updates. If the update fails, uninstall the device and restart to allow Windows to reinstall the driver. Brand-specific drivers. For devices like Samsung or Huawei, download official drivers from the manufacturer's website, for example, Samsung Smart Switch for Samsung devices. Updating or reinstalling the drivers can help restore file transfer functionality. Fix 4. Restart both devices. Restart Android. Hold the power button. Select Restart or Power Off, then turn it back on after 30 seconds. Restart computer. On Windows, go to Start Power Restart. On Mac, click the Apple menu Restart. After restarting, reconnect your Android device for proper connectivity. Fix 5. Disable and re-enable USB debugging mode. Step 1. Enable developer options. Go to Settings, About Phone. Tap build number 7 times to enable developer options. Step 2. Toggle USB debugging. In Settings, Developer Options, toggle USB debugging off, wait 10 seconds, and toggle it back on. Step 3. Allow USB debugging. When prompted, select Allow. Check Always Allow from this computer if desired. Step 4. Reconnect your device. File transfer should now work. Part 3. Alternative to Android USB file transfer. If previous fixes haven't resolved your USB transfer issues, or if you're looking for a more efficient solution, Coolmuster Android Assistant is a great alternative. It bypasses the limitations of USB transfers, offering smoother performance and supporting both USB and Wi-Fi connections for flexible file management. How to use Coolmuster Android Assistant Wi-Fi mode example. Step 1. First, download and install Coolmuster Android Assistant on your computer. Step 2. Launch the program and connect your Android phone to your PC via Wi-Fi. To do this, Install Coolmuster Android Assistant Android version on your Android device, then scan the QR code displayed on your computer screen to establish a wireless connection. Step 3. Once connected, you can select the file types you want to transfer from the left sidebar. Choose the specific files you want to move and click Export to transfer from Android to the computer or Import to transfer from the computer to Android.